It's all painted. Wow, it came out great.
Yeah, I got the other parts. I got other parts outside on the deck.
Today I'm looking to get out here as soon as I possibly can. Super early. It's supposed to get hot again. And I wanted to show off this shirt that I will wear today for good luck. It's, of course, an MT-09 from my son Craig and his girlfriend Amy. And I don't know what to say. It's a pretty cool shirt. So I'm sure guys that enjoy things like having the shirt match their bike and that's very cool. And from the world of model planes, we used to always have a yellow airplane and a yellow shirt. I'm used to that. But the big thing is 800 and I think 30 or 40 miles. We may be able to polish this off today, or at worst in 2 rides, depending on how this day is going to play out. I don't know. I haven't got the call from Luciano yet whether he wants to ride. But the weather is supposed to get hot very early in the day. So number one, I want to get out of here early. And thank you, Craig and Amy, for the shirt. I will wear it in good health. This is really a very cool, really a pretty cool shirt, I have to be honest. Now I just want to check before I actually get out on the road. 8:37. I've been trying to keep track of this because at 1,000 miles, the track days begin. And I'm wondering, see, one of the things I'm wondering about, the exhaust sound that you hear in a video is kind of muted, but we've been keeping it right now under 7,000, and maybe by the end of the day under 8,000. But I can't wait to really get on it and hear that honk of when the throttle bodies are wide open. And I've been patient. Hasn't been easy. And every day here we always have our chores that have to be done before we head out on the open road. And I like coming back to having everything done, not having a bunch of things that have to be done. Just me. Karen's hostas are all coming out, I guess another couple days. Wow. What a banner summer this has been. God, you've got so many tomatoes in here. Look, there's one zinnia in the middle of the tomatoes. That's funny.
There's another one.
It's funny, we have zinnias growing in between the tomatoes. One is actually growing down by the drain pipe. There's so many zinnias, we don't know what to do with them. Even the alliums are doing well this year. Wow.
I'm going to get some allium bulbs in the fall.
Yeah, they're beautiful. And they came back. So I got the bike out. It looks like it's going to be a cloudy day, but it's certainly going to be a riding day, that's for sure. It's pretty funny as we do our perp walk. The poor frog, he's been overgrown by flowers this year. Wow. What a year for flowers. Karen's garden. Even feeding the fish has become a lot of fun this summer. Starting off the day with 8:37. Then we're off to meet Luciano. He said he has his the bike he's working on. He did some work on it. He wants to show it to me, and then we're going to head out for a cup of coffee. Now look, I want to show you what the real professional motorcycles of the world have. Watch this.
You grow breast?
And I got breasts, right. Watch this. Da 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 da.
Okay. Who made that?
Ah, my son gave it to me for my birthday.
Oh,
They came late because of the post office.
The other day,
Yeah.
shirt made this for
No, it's you buy it like that.
Oh, you buy like that. That's
It's-
great.
Yeah. Today it's going to be Ride the Blue Bikes Day, but still in break-in miles. How many miles you got on this? 15,000? 14?
Something like that.
Oh, I'm telling you. I love blue bikes. I love this color blue. It's all painted. Wow, it came out great.
Yeah, I got the other parts. I got other parts outside on the deck.
And what else did you do to it so far?
Oh, I painted the front wheel.
You got the wheel painted? Okay, cool.
I touched it with my hand here. Fucking
Yeah, well, you know, you're clumsy. What the hell are you gonna do?
I did the brakes, the forks.
It looks good.
I paint the forks. And I'm doing a lot of work in this fucking thing.
Now, you still got the fairing, right?
I got a thing brand new.
Oh, you got a brand new
It
one?
was black paint.
Oh, so you just...
I had to sand it, and I was.
Oh,
I was so
poor
pissed.
baby's got to sand the parts.
I was
Oh.
feeling so bad.
Oh, there's my baby right there. Oh boy, put it right in my garage. We'll make some room for that. And my favorite one. Oh my God, my favorite one here. My best track bike ever. Wow. Let's hear it. Oh, nice. Nice and quiet. How many miles? 42,000?
42,000.
What kind of little muffle is that? Yoshimura?
No, that's loose.
Oh, but it sounds nice and quiet.
That's a Chinese.
Yeah, Chinese aquapobic, yeah. You need a bigger tail light, I think. Well, what is that, for a spaceship? Wow! I may never run into you when you hit the brake. Yeah, that looks good. The instruments cleaned up nice. Wow. Yeah, that came out good.
Yeah.
You got the fake Chinese gas cap on it there? What is that yellow light for? Is that for a gas? Oh, you're out of gas. Yeah. Yeah, looks good.
Sounds good too.
Yeah. Sounds great. Not good, great.
I got a windshield coming. I may be able to ride a bike next week. I'm not kidding.
You got the Motor Guzzi plate that fits all bikes? What are you laughing? Police around the country are going to check this out.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the blinkers and a windshield.
Oh, okay. You getting those little blinkers that nobody can see when you want to turn?
I got a pair.
Yeah, I see.
They did have without a pair, so.
Okay. And the motor cleaned up nice too. When I was here the first day.
The models are not done yet. I have to
No.
clean it.
No, I'm saying it just didn't look clean, like you
I
didn't clean it
may
yet.
paint this frame here because it looks pretty bad.
Yeah, you could
So,
do that.
This color.
I'm surprised this has a tube frame. I'm surprised
Yeah.
this is an 02?
Yeah.
What year? 02?
2002.
Wow. That's gonna be a nice bike.
These are vent pipes. I don't know where they are from. The service manual, they don't tell me anything.
They don't tell you. You bought the manual, right?
Yeah.
Oh man. I could even smell the paint drying. Ooh, that's gonna look nice.
Yeah.
You're not gonna put any stickers on it? Yamaha, what is it? What goes on the fairing? FZ? What?
I'm not gonna do that.
None of that?
No. I want to be anonymous.
You want to be anonymous. So put Motor Guzzi on there. Then that Motor Guzzi plate you have, nobody will know.
I paid this 217 bucks. I
Wow.
couldn't find a used one.
Wow. That's brand new though. That's not,
Brand new.
no Bondo at all.
No. Brand new.
Wow. It's going to be a nice bike when you're done with it.
Yeah. Come on, nice.
That's a Yamaha. How bad can it be? Yeah, that's that. And you got a little windshield coming for it?
Yeah.
Looks like a nice little pointy windshield like the R1 has.
Yeah, it's very short.
Yeah. Cool.
And, the tail section, I'm gonna put it on tomorrow. And be back will be there next week.
Next week we'll be riding it. Well, if you do, I'll ride my R1 so we could duke it
Yeah.
out. So we're going to head up to Warwick, have a cup of coffee, See if any other bikers are up there. Seemed like it was a biker-friendly place, that's for sure, right on 94. Okay, so it is Blue Bike Day after all. So Luciano decided he wants to come here for coffee, but I don't think they're going to have coffee yet. It's too early. Last time it was 11 o'clock. They didn't have any coffee. Ay, ay, ay. So we're taking this place off the list because they don't want to serve us. They said it's too early for coffee. How can it be too early? Yeah, no wonder they're not making any money. The cows are starving. So we're going to head out to our other little haunt, which is right up 94 also. Twice in a row we did the same thing. And we can't get coffee here.
Enjoy the weather while you got it. Probably snow next week.
We're not going to be alive next week. We're old. We can't find the fountain of youth anywhere up here. Oh, we finally found a place that has a cup of coffee in the morning and shade. We go sit in the shade and oogle the bikes.
It's the only coffee shop in the country.
Doesn't it? They don't want to serve us. We must be Harley riders or something. So here we are like two fat cats on the Riviera. The yachts are going by. And we're sitting there. We finally found a place in New York that'll sell us a cup of coffee. I don't know, just the way you guys look, you look dangerous.
They don't like us.
They don't like us. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they found out we hang out with Jose once in a while.
We have 50 cents for the coffee.
50 cents? 50 cents. Oh my God. No wonder I can't afford a new bike.
That's why they want to give it to us.
So Luciano and I are here sitting having coffee, and the radar detector goes off. Now it's not even facing the road, is it? It's facing completely away from the road, right? And the thing went beep, 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 beep. And what was coming down the road? A state police car.
Yeah.
And just when Luciano wanted to do a wheelie too. I love that radar detector. Oh my God, that thing saves my life. The lovely Mrs. Urtanowski, you got coffee ready? Beautiful. Lucianos in fine form today. All right, I'll be right in. Let me just put the bike away. So I wanted to see how we're doing with our break-in thing. I think we got one more ride left. 9:36, we'll finish that off tomorrow for sure. And she will be, within the next ride, she'll be broken in and ready to go. And we'll have to start fooling with the suspension. It's still hard for me to describe just how much I like this bike. I know I sound like a broken record sometimes. Maybe I am. But even Luciano and I, well, today we had a great ride. And it just started getting hot the last half hour or so. Karen had me check the garden here. Look at these peppers growing everywhere. Oh my God, we're gonna have veggies tonight. The garden, it just I never get bored coming back here and checking it out. Every day it's a different garden. There's different flowers, different plants, different peppers. And I'm not sure what could be better. Well, I know the only thing left would be if this fish pond will full of the fountain of youth. I guess I'm not going to bother waiting for that to happen. Anyway, this bike does make you feel young again, that's for sure. So it's just hard to imagine having a better break-in on the bike. We do have one more ride to go and we'll be done with that. Then what I'm going to try to do is, once I know that that's in the bank, I'm going to start, maybe I'll even make it right in the beginning. I'll make a dedicated day to working on a suspension and doing the interpolation of, and it's not like a Dave Moss thing, like a scientific. This is just my way of doing it to get it basically to suit me and to suit the type of riding I do on the type of roads I do. Those roads are typically pretty bumpy, and I try to get the bike. That'll take several rides, but in the end I'll have it that the bike is perfectly suited to me. Now I couldn't really do that with the engine not broken in, because to do that I need to be able to get on it. And well, I've really babied it. You probably don't see it in the video, but I've babied it. We had a great ride today. We try to shoot a video every day, of course. I want to thank the healthcare workers again. I do it over and over. It doesn't matter, you can't overdo it. Every time you interact with somebody, you see somebody that's wearing a mask all day, thank them and making this life that we have possible. So, I hope you've enjoyed our little set of videos. There are some rides yet to be had this summer, and we're going to try to go on them, and we're going to try to share them with you. Hope you enjoy the video. I enjoy making them. And thanks for watching, and especially to Craig. Thanks for the shirt. Everybody liked the shirt today.